7606909. Ndikuita zvera ndikuita kutambela game ya nomboro ndikuyompura. Nichigebenga. No, you are just a thug.
Thug it out.
Tinangorepa na dzama yoyo waligerira to kill you.
Ndiyadi enjoy ndinantu.
Get a letter said.
Ndina molotivi ndi enjoy.
Teva. Hey, I don't think that. Don't be fooled.
Ndona na keep enough chotakara. No, not trouble zipo. Era very 5+5. Arikana zotamba. Yazuni ndizo ngombra mimi. Zefista seamba. Zefista seamba.
This one.
You know the video?
Nende today.
Benosimedza energy phase.
Ini nokunoshimoje video. Ini nanipanda msinonjisa.
Ndandoira zvone pano ndikubona zvoti.
Apeshe ndikachia bakho rama tope. Do you know who that is?
Fitsan mic ya nguditiyo.
Sorry.
Nankori ndinyulani.
Ati dibe. Ndidiba aba lebe bakujaiva but itsinari lebe bakunita kanza bani. The whole time, what was it? He was still dancing. We got there, he was dancing. No, not the fresh. The fresh is in Nayash. How never all star. But much bad.
Come on, how can someone among Tinari?
Yo, I guys, what a time.
Yeah, that thing is really.
I think it's something else.
It's goated for it.
It's something else. Who could differ?
What do you think Lazona Kuza Fistos or I move very o'clock? I say
Saturday. Marafala right sunny then.
Guy. No, like remember also Nangavegi very o'clock. What he does is having a Saturday.
Oh, uri ito then gelo Dubai exclusive. Do na maso fana mina.
And it's no that summer probably anga do.
Who do flare pala?
Nete masofa dara. Kana diwa ninge top notch if there's like something chine. One agreement na.
I think maybe the agreement is top notch.
Nto dami, niyo bono. Jambo ni oni visani yera.
Apa vula Uto radio unompenda.
Uvi vule ko bonara.
Ari on damsi. Sasa dorwana ba baby. After socha we have ended the journey ponenda bo.
Nzane pone na niso ngamba rawa.
Nzane pone akono samba raon. Sounds like something my mom would say.
Huh? Wrong as movie as. Yeah, so ndakuramazo uri okay maybe there's agreement uri kamza konyagori.
I think bana agreement and it's been working for Sunday.
Like, I know with Sundays is don't condone.
Also the culture nibo rina bini yarbarera mara there are people that look forward to it. Ubodara ini. Habona watu naba kunyengodzura hena nga Sunday.
Even the Saturday one doesn't make sense. Ngandre nabo daranga is like it's back to
and
back.
And una pepo.
Cause chekani ya Sunday is like once in a month. You know needs back to back.
And uko dara every Saturday. Uchiko rotora. Doro umbra sama.
Biko.
Dombra. Haudubo flea. Rudo fisala ma.
Yovonga biko little bakamto na malashaba. Ana chama la vira kabewa.
Ala wala moya.
Imani nana.
No mara vodara. Now they just saying to kuzumbro nichipira ndo manyurudza nichiko bathroom.
Mtakoni kokodza niko evana. Niko toilet. Komproma 9 ndingandozwa ngatozwa bararu if not vanhu fendi yatonga.
What ni yatonga?
For the very first time.
Somebody actually said to me, ndichikopira. And okay, people have to understand. Unaenda vandodzirone ndichatoilet nditiyopira pala odara uti.
Madi.
Mutu amlambo.
Tipna pira pool.
Mutu ave akotodongava ende ndina mchisho guys nande ndikonwa atikonwa atikola ice cream ngokona mfesesa amna atikola stock sweets nande ndiba ndi pressed like so ndichipira ndiba ndojaya
and the moment nichikoye ndingori is there
ndiko that mutu abakora ando zamwamba na Kings lingo hango biyamfa. I remember somebody saying
ndiba ndikozvipfa like nditosiza pasi ne
shino okay bono toda zvine benji varuma kanne
cause
ndine star chavenda zviamba
ndandoneta mamuna
star chavenda
ini remember anodzumba ti so vati vachidza kani they were like oh hey vo Kingsley mini mbotsokora oh wapa nombona
nombona
vakani
vatotira ne part
they were keeping up
mutadzi wamolotivi chari hey hana musibodzike
chata chambuzo chari hey wafana musi odzika ini dara uko keep up tituzana mukona kuti mutaro
chezatuudza
no ndomubudzo riho ita mini mari tirimudze lidzina uri uradzina disva china because ndari kuzudzana mukona cause ndomudita antu nomwana chingori status chikwamboreva na riva rodoita antu varododipina narenevo like nisongodhana wanyagwamba ndeve una mutani atwamba ndeve ina vakonipfa and there's those guys vaneva vari mini vasakasvika varihamba kapodcast like Brian wachitrying to do zvinhu
ndikutosvika
ndanihamba sazvizvi zvino amushori kezo onyamba mbebi kusvipa ndinomupera mari ndeveni
marati like we need to make it clear not mind the pictures and whatever I don't mind the hello hi we like you mara havalavone votofarira cv rezvize ridoijia rari ridoita plani
maninyana ngavo mumwe unotsembedzana vatu vasongambara kafunewo I'm actually thinking of it now ndoyandati I think I went to the bathroom
why
ndichikovuya I want to tell you not kutorivo vatu vasongambara so udzakanhorevo Kingsley vadhiva muchimaone ndaita ti hey abe onye kutoambiwa ngandiretori mini ndari mara zvino what do you mean aritiyo dharamba ngazo ndari kuamba ngamini chine anenya kunitsumbedza chiva ndikodhiasa dzimasaji dzedzi okata dzimasaji dzavatu vasongambara like literally naked so amudhira akechi chinepe
omutu inzimunitsumbedza rerei
nanikokipa aputi so I'm like ndizozvona owafa hola mutoro truth tingobona zori face ndiyanyinwa nomutu ane ovahone nepo naye guruvuni
so zvomboita nazi happy ending oyo mntu
yeah most probably
wamuvenda so he wants to come
kava ndm kana
vandichipota ndm unoti tive kopeni
no tindikotamburi kandm uri asangovaita nto so I'm like yeah vatu vaso
crazy ukupichiwa
vatu vapicha
and there's that other girl that kept on saying yeah ndikudovhura yanga podcast ndikudovidzia ine ndari matinani hafanina fistosina ndawana mapungo awo
vatuti vele o'clock
I heard people say hey matinani hafanina fistos hey matinani hafanina tanga I'm just like yo beona nompa boyfriend enji
hey vatu
you guys give me a lot of boyfriends and I'm just like
mukona ita nini vuya vatu vakopakirana vatu neri kuenjoya figa ba vatu vakoso bharba wakudhifa
inogudiswa rinoushumisa sweet point
same day
I'm
not sure if even the last
earlier
ndosvikanga 5 to 9 remember where the bet actually you owe us
hai asine ndinani obolenga
mara ndosvikanga guri ntinjamborina 300 kela guri nena vistos na uba
dojorpengera vivi mara beti aisadoita nanani abenani hangonepa akobairo tanya zvakuvuyavuya ndoedhera endei vamwe vatipotipiwana vangoedhera ndoedhera vila vamwe vangoedhera
I had something to do because I've been doing to catch up uchiro
mutukonifusa konifusonoedherana ndiri mulwani
ine vila nichifona aone ndunya kutomoedhera
havangeni vuto ndingandoedhera ubva ngaro swika chimadhani ngwaniti 2-1
maybe yeah 2 ndosvikanga 2 no rosvikanga vo 2
really mngana hai
valate yangepetu guys need the tune
hi King that was amazing guys we had a time
road yabo guy 20 or
10 kilometers
but korumbero Phoenix tukiko itwa ya group
and like it's not uphill it's just niwan kutochimbia
that's the boring part of the hike
but then I enjoyed it
I did do
maybe ndingoredhera kuchimbilanga chacho and it was fun mara kana ingoskovana vatu vamwe vane ani vadhivi maybe it would be boring it was really fun guys we had a good time and then rala branch
yeah rarona makuwa
why do you like fighting ininanani where you love fighting you can't wait to pull out the race card
it wasn't even about the race card man
you literally always pulling out the race card
here's the thing guys naventicheresesa kuti ntomupfa owapfa if mutu akori vewinikodhaa rine rote une rava panda chuzviliwa usina foda namini and then
awona vape in South Africa.
avakuvona vaping later avakori and also nani munhu kone tungopfa wafola kana vape
mara richitomosvika awona muthu avakudafola somewhere around us and usually ni makuwani yazvidiwa udharisa vaoneti
mara ngoriri vatsu ndivo rini hapi ukodanya
rini.
I'm like huh.
And then they're like, oh yeah, the smell of, and which is crazy. You know why? Also, the fact that I'm to what they were going to open area. Now, I'm terrified of them, but I strong. Mara, they're like, yeah, Niko da. Hey, we want to
because at some point I thought,
Nani tell her who is smoking.
Why bakori? Because then corona and then why bakori? Nisongo da instead of who is smoking. That's the question they should have asked first.
Guys, are you the ones that are smoking?
Simple as that. Rakonori hi. Can you please stop smoking? Naku fake smile. Ndapo kwa kwati sokula ku fake smile nako. Tiba to de balot. But then it's fine.
Yeah, ini nto babenga yeso bukuma nifana naniwo. Ndazvona zvapeto huko dobi parote ropomura roindela ubonore. Na munde wayo to wi.
Bobo titakwa vatho. Munhu vipi uzokwa. Bobo the way which come mad. Ubamba my friends at 13 million. Nako bare.
No. Ngadela ro kubalima.
Ambali tieli lunch. Ambalo palima, ambale ala vlog. Rishosho vari mean my video. So I'm like no ways, bra.
And I choose to open but I forgot to come on better. Guys, open it over. He's not just quiet, he's even nonchalant.
Yeah.
America anaconda, literally. Like literally but anyways guys we had a great weekend. How was your weekend?
Also, you know where I want to actually there's very same weekend I want to mind that does it realize later
move on.
Yeah, people really moved on, eh?
Like my my little sister. Which
little sister?
Little cousin. Africa una little cousin.
Tycoon. Tycoon. Yeah, man. So like, what are you?
Why? But don't know what that.
Yeah, Mara, we ought to, man.
On Friday, it was something I just didn't.
Oh, Karno na jitu to na box. I think it's for donations. But
hey,
what really my zonga na zunu la mashika. But then, yeah.
Mara, don't you think Ngastu was starting to see what actually happened?
And he didn't do anything. Is that what you're trying to say?
I'm not saying he didn't.
I would say.
But we have people that did more.
Steve Biko.
My point exactly. Everybody
crew.
Else.
Yeah. And of which I think woman didn't the one who got the easiest life in for your Jerry. Imagine being rewarded for your Jerry. Very Jerry Zuranenepo. You never know what's
Mara
coming.
27. Yes, it.
Bundu
That's a
there
lot.
for how long?
I don't know. Over there for how long?
I don't know, eh?
Oh, January.
Apparently it's been a while.
Damn. Just Laja GBV. Yo, that's crazy. So people actually can get arrested for GBV, but
don't you think about Tsumbo? Yeah.
I wonder if we had anything.
I haven't had any update. Oh, my mom says
Shame, man. Isn't it funny when parents talk about like because
funny enough, last year I'm like, oh, okay. So, hey. Not really. Oh, yeah, she is, eh?
As 50 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Almost 60.
Nah. Almost 50.
Yeah, 40 minutes. Any no more.
Oh. Is it 20? I think 20. Anybody by 50?
Oh.
65.
Oh, you Nikombori. Bakushimela 60.
We should mean
above 55.
Oh.
Ndibona ngathanga dzashu bomia nani bomia nyindi yenedzile bomia funi tenedzile age tonda kuzofunga na ini myanzo banepo
ngandi mtoko.
Oh, that's why roga leda liado
point
guy
yechikete
guy Ntoni.
Yeah,
It's not a mess.
Yeah, man, ndayorejeka ntuma. The thing allowed ya security now BM. What really happened then? Nevertheless, don't that tuchitevera until
Anything when ngacho though.
nombuza namkonombuza ndaba tisitana ndaba na achila story.
Did you watch the video eventually?
Nomudibona namusi.
Noibona namusi?
So tell maziko. Mara
I don't
video
know,
ziko
ngizibona Saturday.
So ngosibona.
Today's Monday. That's so late for a content creator.
Mina ndiba ndi busy ndiko high kanne.
Ngizogojia vlog, ngizogorambisa ngabathu, ngizogorifonda fonda.
Kujesi. Kujesi kwa kipili.
Anyway,
Like
I'm saying, Nando Ibona, I think Friday or Saturday chambul. So I think what happened was they were driving in BMW.
But they're driving in or out?
Hopefully you nikoya guy though. Or where are you going?
Oh. Because
So
there's
there
some
wasn't any go
vachikamba zvotsva andikofunga vakoro kofigure nevakuerera kamzi votoitsva.
No, baba could drive in because unapati your visa license. And then babudzisiwo phi like nikoya guy.
Which happens everywhere.
Everywhere. And then baba kuri amarana siri usoro wa guy like do you think ringachwana? That's where it came out. And then the other guy was like, yeah, you'll never drive a BMW in your life. So that guy actually apologized, the one that was not driving. When he did the apology video at first, he was like, the thing is that video you told me record 5 minutes.
Or record 5 minutes after.
But here's my thing. If you recorded it 5 minutes after, Jamba no visa license 5 minutes after.
Doesn't make sense because gore na yone yachitonga iko vo swika.
Upaka.
Dambore voro a reverse.
Adoba uma. Also, like, Arizona Jera 5 minutes of visa license, you are also wrong then.
Yeah.
And I'm not feeling a simple story. Guy, do you know who I am?
Bro,
we need to know what department you're going to. Even like, you guys educated because you need una protocol. That is in every building.
Goro iso yo jenana ini na madzina because yakono is link la so okay BM yo jenana number please. If you vana oapfa then you are like
that's what I'm saying. It's a security check. And batho ba ngori security nezlo zwena baniko jena complex ni uko G1 to niko pfunga riva kuni anoya vakolenga. It's for you. Right now you don't think it's important mara Korean kaichiwe zvino. You want to know your visa ani. You want to know nani hamutone of visa ani asine and stuff like that. So that's what they're trying to verify. And then okay, I don't think they have enough yori bapengise ngorala.
That's the thing.
Ndobona screenshot wako ihumbela.
Remember money is never enough. Ndela so muntu for if ndina 20 rand azonda kwa 200 ndina chelede inji. That's all.
Mara ula ana ino mutongisa ngorala.
Unangana.
Atidibe mara aitendi.
Umbela 300 na 400
no, azitendi. Korean is just na matera enila inokusumbedziwa. And I'm just like telling someone or you'll never drive a BMW.
And then who's the other guy now? Walito.
Nebe nandichikobononga huyu wangapa ndi ice boy Walito ndi driver. Swichibuya humwe zvibodonga holo bakuroreiriwa ngavala Balito. And nena ndikufunga.
Walito ndibone
Nena ndikufunga ndibone barina cherede. Itonga ndibone ndru. And ndikufunga bobvirwa ngaya Lito. That's the problem. That's what made me think the other person the meaning the ice boy.
Guys, come to host we kwa jere next week. Kich arbecho nga jere.
Okay, no allegedly.
No sorry. Marora allegedly. Rodo ikata ndizimizongo ipo.
Allegedly. Nenda ndikobononga. Kama sibobveliwa nga something.
Yeah, and obviously the
nga situation. Ngono mvezesa. Because in most of the videos
it's funny enough the guy
did you see the apology video that the guy did?
It's
the editing for me, it's the walking down the street for me, bro.
Video vala baba sinai ai ba BM bona bo bashimise AI
mntana wenza mfoni na mubuzi
ozama mfonela no
sinofuni za chizibodo ngadziyafana nabo ngori sipachiwe
benji pachanga mrawo
nzigompengela
ndoni page no nima
why I don't want it.
So the whole thing just didn't make sense. Neto there sokufunga bathu ti zvabva svika pala nekantu yori nitomo degrade mutu ngori inena
yani it says like
namani ilicha ni dobe nishume ngwa ngauso eta vari mini na
ai rewa panema
ndi right bakwamana king slap or black couch
oh the king na
yeah bakomfa chapo
ya ndikuvapa sharp
ri kuita nthu ri khou rekhoda hafhanoni in case vaona zwiṅwe zwine vha nga amba ndi na u apfa na vhathu vha no khou vhona zwi.
okay
Yeah, so we just wanted to understand ri khou ṱangana mini ro vhona vha tshi khou lwa na security and then all of a sudden na vhane tshi khou mukolela, so I feel like vhathu vha nga nyago ḓivha uri vhewe vha khou ṱangana mini because I saw the apology video as well uri ha khou ṱangana mini.
vhone vha khou mpha zwavhuḓi nga hanefho
Nga maanḓa na vhathu vha khou vha pfa.
Okay
Ri tou vha na ku
Okay.
17 minutes ti if you got ḓalesa. Ri tou vha na 17 minutes if you ḓalesa.
7-10 minutes
Yeah.
okay hava zvakuti 10 minutes yo ḓala uri ndingaṱoḓa na story zwavhuḓi.
All right.
Zwezwo zvinoitea mukomana wanga ngori ndozvivona uri vone vati mudhau na nne nditi mudhau mara nezina langa lavukuma ndi murendeni mara zvozoitea ndizvori rokuva ri kwa-BMW hela BM ilani yotuniwa ladrag wanepo muvenda washo ndo neichunawo everything so goloi inaviya naichunayi ibva kawarrant ina warrant yapa until 2029 hela goloi mara ngori unopanga after titanium exhaust na mini zvote BMW ramba vatobudza rachaikwama rine mara ringandirengesera dzipatsi. So every time musi richinga kuisevhisa totora rarenga parts yaBMW then rakoneyo arangati ngori dzava dzivona uri tingasvinga rinouya dzishow car shows ratina raita mini oda nori tamuti yovhunda chimwe chitu nditoenda renga BMW ndandarugisa ka-private mechanic so that's why richidzura rodhara pala BMW vachidzura rorivona nanangavori rinouya rarenga zvitu rararugisa saidini asi kuti manje pala aridiva richisvika palani friendly badi naavonga maanda rinenge kuva rorichiyangeri avadiva narini rorichiyangera so rawana una ndingamambangadzina musi
I don't know anything.
Rawana una ratib zapala wena navori ndi-security liswa linavori losvika palani zvino avori braji vanavori ndi-business partner yangayo vachijena BMW apalani ngori niyadiva uri vari kwagai vaya kabhumgate yavuviri yosumbedza uri kwaside yangange dzipatini avori ungari azinomufara zvakubvinga ndavori rotomupfuka richiya kabhumgate yavuviri apori wani kumupfuka ndoima panoni kandikati achida atarina avachiodanola muya uri zvakuzvadzi nikwagai venu
zvine ndendisokufunga riti ndandikori ndikotamborivo in as much as kambori ri kumupfuka waridiva nane abe if mushumo muswa ndochuhwa nditeo make sure ndikofollowa protocol dzote ari ngomula so vewe also na vewe kamusi kouchuhwa zvo zvaso uri ene mushumoni muswa kutoita chimwe nachimwe due diligence.
Yeah, but azvingokilika musi ri kasituation andavori orachidai conversation before chitomorikodiwai vatu vatovava pasi enotoda ngamunyaula uri nditiyo mubudzi uri ndikwagai braji vakwambori no ndiadivo ndikwagai vakumupindura zvavudi vatomujiyana naye pako vabudza zvezvo uri kwati ndinodotswa zori ndikochimuranga BMW zviyamburini hasiveni matsotsi ndikuita mushumo wanga panoni ndikuita mini ine ndodzura kapasenje zvino nena braji rina principle linavori ara mumwe angayanka mumwe uri yova pasi ine ndikoseya udiffusa situation ende ndikoseya uri omukana ukwachallenja uri vaji vadomupindura murau handiti kuti munhu waipa kamera yanga nine ndikonye kumurekoda achikodisrespecta vaji avori zvino ndichivoarai onotola mutokani unong'ara wovhura gese datozitiyo yotiwa mamuti vakomutoma sukunyana rajena richivovuyela nda onohumela ngeebhumgate angeebhutsu imwe navori vavudzwa nemasecurity akare vakudzimuvudza uri ini ningori bhaizisa imi amajita achidza panoni vamauri palanchi chimwe chipinga zonochivorwa navo hakuna nohamba vavana achivodhakari nezvino ravuviri vaji vakadzi vafuming achivodhara uviri anotsara kupedzisera zvino mara ne achiyuri vapetu ndikutoamba avori vaji avori vakadzi vavovarola muya waatitude ila iwotomenavori aihoka kamera mumpesa vatomonchana naye that's why vakozama clarify uri risongonga rikurwa ngona vori avalava kungonomuvudza uri imi ningorona vatona vori vashapu rishapu navo avori vaji vakazangori vamake sure uri zvisongochadova zvaiteya avori vonoya way out of the element it's not a way to justify use raro mara ndizvo zvaiteya zvezvo so huko vana misunderstanding uri nendichikusvika mbuni ndikukudza vaji uri sezvibombona ndikuseya a lot apa ndikudyesa joku ngori otoma vadalela vajiva kunoresponda ine ndakunoraya vajira ndiposte joku ndikuposta sajoku ndo angori story chori otomisa hani matumoni achiwo apalani achakonza kunotrenda ngenderezva trenda ngai.
Okay, and then also maybe now nisade vato vambela avala muthu venani navo like zve vava kwahamba zvore rine rola 116k nga mwedzi uri kona afoda kuredza so and then also ningava ni mubvanda all those things nadava nazviposta. Don't you feel like maybe kamusinani kodhizama muisera pasi ngamanda rakamba ka situation ine zvino so zvazvinofudizve
to be honest with you it was an honest mistake ngandave uri vachambelwa zvo uri vathu vangori ndi M2 yaone no ndikonversation yandoikata neapana ngori vakotoamba uri nditozvidiva uri muthu anava uri chimuranga M2 uita so uiona chede yasona mi vasa kwamba uri goli yavo rine ndi M2 ende vasa kuvembera omutitsera pasi namuti vachiringa chiena vhuwa neidrive egoloi vakwamba kuhumbulele uri kwamuntu kuhumbulele kosokorofori mutu mwana uri una BMW ana kujena falani BMW angadiva odotswa azviyambi uri na BMW vakwamba uri ararina kuhumbulele kuri inwini mutu mwana dova kujena BMW amunaona amuntu mutsu uva una right uri angava odotswa. You don't see yourself driving it.
Dina uwapfa pana yena kubusa something before ndichirapa panyana.
Okay.
Sorry ne ndikunyongomvesesa tindikomupa ukuri the conversation aingorekodiwa yothe ti. So yabona mthu kufiwa thoma vantha. I'll let that slide. Mara, ndandikofungari when we call you, you're going to be a little bit more accountable. Or for as much as we wanna no kwata, rinero wana video yamse havala muya wono bapasi. Can we agree that what you said was degrading and the intention was to make him feel less of a human being? Oh, we wena ngoyangora, we woni pfunga ni bantha. Nga uri kaimeti ndipedzisi. We woni ngasi mention muholo. The fact that ni wanda hadwa futhi hafi hanga dovua oireira hayo maiphi othe mararu and the fact that you also enokoroita mistake achi poster I get it mara atiboni ungari before ni poster chituthini yatuma yatamba ichikotamba if you didn't feel like there's anything wrong with that video then now it makes me question your personality as well, not just the friend that was driving, because the fact that you thought it was funny, that was my problem. Ndikwambori atiko hana ari control reaction ya mutu mara nauriza kwe controller chotoma veono kaka ngori nopira mutu just because you guys know the securities petu it doesn't mean uri navonani ani mudhivini kuti yomupira. The fact that you don't know him means niti yomupindura samtu ani mudhivi vele hani dhivi na veo ani mudhivi is new. So how you guys treated him was also wrong because you can see we don't know this guy. You guys are always there near BM all the time. So ndi musha hazvidhivi zva lunch hadhivi zva mini and for him to now go back abudzofi habe vari rengera dzi cold drink nisowamba navo ngoraro it still does not justify how you talk to people. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, and sorry, okay, I hear everything that you're saying and very perfectly and with understanding. Or okay, why are we not holding ourselves accountable like that? The understand the story thought and attitude, not tone, what is that? You know what must do? Asizvezvaiteyezo rinarisombera fariro yayo ridari kutoitera shambori ngerifune zvakupfuma that didn't want kutotenda zvavudzi neandavori kunyangori kubiedere kwekwaiteya uri kwekwarito retrigare kusadhova kwaiteya and after kwaiteya ngandavori roya BMW BMW varidzudza pasi rote azvokakamera izvozvo ona musana ambori nongenda kutombelori usomwana musana zopresa uita izvi zvithu uri nditatiwe mutumona nanera ndodhera zvezvo ndodhera uri risongo izvisa kure izvithu haidziva vaone ndizvori zvopostiwa zvabva out of context way more kavatu vote vachango that's why apology yova regarderwa straight kamanda vatunhu vachangori vathu vanji vakureacta like that ngandavori avakufezoreti amini ene munhu la muthu akureacta ngeyo ndira uwatesezoreti amini people they quarrel vathu vayarwa namusarari zvosvika poinavori unga ukodi downgradiwa ningati downgrade namusanavori nonomudowngrade already rodafalani nari vudzo robotswa already nomoriveya fast
Ndi zwone.
rina rine ri tshi vho ni vhea fhasi vho ni vhea kha level navho ri a lingana
pfi ori upfi murendeni ori murendeni ori upfi murendeni ti
vadao
vadao kha pfi ndiko mupfa zwoṱhe zwine a khou amba ti mara phathi uri ene uri ri nga si if you guys apologize for that and then could apologize ra shango ngori Debza understands what happens, that's what you're saying. Mara kha dovhe point yanga ki the fact that you reacted that way says a lot about character dza vheiwe already. Are you not going to apologize for that? Ngauri zwino zwi amba uri ri nga ri na vhafumakadzi vha no khou rwiwa wa zwi ḓivha zwo rojola, it still doesn't mean GBV is fine. That's what I'm saying. You cannot justify your reaction. No, and you could justify
verbal war. And
verbal war.
Ene angadanti ngampama nenda to mgwaza ana right yoro ngomgwaza nofuna nondo ngampama and how I react back ngibasiko bakori ingnomthoma nini phazoni yori nomthomela nini
ndiko mupha ti
bathu bato react ngayenye ndira
ndiko zwipfesesa
saidira
ndiko zwipfesesa uri
disrespect why could you acknowledge you
ndikotenda ti
why usati or disrespect zoba zirongo
ndikotenda uri veiwe nikopfa no disrespect you mara riko hangwa uri veiwe no ya kha boom gate ine no ḓowela dzhena ngayo ende asi hune ha dzheniwa ngaho asi protocol. You guys are forgetting that
asuna dzheniwa ngaho udzheniwa ngaho to vori ene on sorry with the child on sorry rine ri koyo uri hai ngomufukela mini obe mabadani ene asi ngangoma BMW yabuye maona obe mabadani.
Okay, are conclude
analyzing yakumbulele kwanga maybe he was having a bad day.
No, yeah, that's true.
It's a war between the rich and the poor. Yes, that's a war between a man and a man. That's why I was check a raw paint once.
Okay,
so at the end of the day, national integrity ndio vinavona vadisisa zone and arabo no zori vachidaleriwa vapori integrity yavo aimetare umetara dignity yori bathu vatori mini kavo ndi perform for the audience of two, myself and God, and aramdzimu vachi vozvivona ndokakha that's ndikumbira farero uri I know ndokakha pala mara asumambori nendile sokotoda ndasokotoda that's what I'm clear as much as we can and I've already ringasokoda sokotoda I'm sorry bathu akombo farelesha ngono na kukari farelo rokakarumwa ma so dalera zvinokuzdira afuni na wahad
vadao rido dovara cause
vadao ntipedzi ula mwana unokova expose ka TikTok ndi wagaina hoyo nokwa va expose ze 300 na 400 ka TikTok upfinyi ndo to muhanga man
ndi matamba vana nino ndo dzvanzori but pasana va vatsinenga va zvipo I am a multi-millionaire for real. Abazabo na vaboita zo vakuita convention ngori zvinotino roi eCalgary team we are all over the place. Mara muntu mwana one diba personally no zvotadziona mbelacheri de kamuntu na mti but vambelacheri de kane and I'm too generous.
No problem. Because comes in the mia van.
Hara kuri ndi mia vana zvamba una problem.
Ya mfumakazi wanga anazitezo mfumakazi wanga is well off.
Marantu
ari conclude ati ari record drop zvino ene in conclusion hakuombela pfarelo ngori oro trigger
no ugombela pfarelo ka shango lila fila zvizo saiteya zvizo sorry
sorry ndi sorry ene ukuipa chifani ukuinamedza zvino kaombela pfarelo ara kombela pfarelo if you're not it's either you're sorry or you're not.
No, okay let me apologize properly.
Katebza
usikari begins at home kaba venda baborini kombela pfarelo arando ne meet representer rada kashango lote South Africa loralo kombela pfarelo for making everyone feel the way that they feel rada kate bukorala because my brother kombela pfarelo arari ndo mutori astile some type of way deeply simple as that.
No problem Rodi boy sane is Ronald later what to no problem thank you so much.
Okay,
bye.
Etime yangafo wadao
Fuck wadawe
fari arali
like
ndiba guy nimba divani
no definitely ndi wano sono yankudzia ndo novudzisa yo I was getting mad all over again.
Didn't you phone ni nto murwana after show?
No, it's
hey
it's the mfumakadzi wango well off. It's just the whole
mfumakadzi well off ndo techeresa zobdina ne podcast
ndikombo reti exactly is not zena no imagine or uzone he turned out to be that so now I'm just like okay
would you rather have money navaso kana usava nechelede at all?
I'd rather not have it. I don't need to go ndidokona ndidochirisa. Habe vatu vasoba avakudiphina. It's not fun. Being them is not fun at all. Zvitakadza ndaka vatu mara. Achiedera like usiku ayete there's no way. But the vatu vanamba so avara inora ndibone unokerengedze madhanda kawa change. I'm telling you, like it's not a fun life. It's not. Does it sound like he's enjoying himself? And a multi what?
I wouldn't tell, eh? Multi-millionaire. Ulamzane nombono no como exposa.
Man. I just saw the screenshots.
Za 300 and
na 200 na goro yo for you. But anyways, comes in the AI, it's fine. Mara multi na ila profile azviera but it's fine.
Yes,
allegedly.
Anyway,
I don't know, but hey guys, urukomera farero sabavenda arali
only misrepresenter obviously.
I am misrepresented as so much.
I feel like ndizvo ndandikombora kudo fiba venda zvine vatutisa because remember fiba venda ro razichelede
ende ombo difi mavenda ibona kazitika fi mavenda asolve
because mavenda ombo difi mavenda na chelede zvambo kudo fi chedi oni vaiwana ngaso zva so and then this how they treat people when wana chelede. So yeah guys, just have money, enjoy it, nive vatu var nice, don't be like everyone. We
know a lot of people with money that are nice.
Don't put them tea.
Buchipango.
Hey, ni abafuna buchipango. Chimwe buchipango.
Bor badela.
Nsari msanda.
Na msanda wa nice. Watch ata msanda online.
Don't jena mo like 5 minutes ago like.
Why not ngwedela? Zuma
dawo. Azweki ndile dole ndari ndiko shuma.
Ndiko shuma.
Yeah, like
ndo manga ndichivwa bochata nde msanda bo. Bodo da comment kazi nebisa bari ndona kasa bugu zvino vavo chata.
Wakomenta nakaini
lado bodo comment na minde kodano koboda future chata
nakudo keep up nabo
mara for example whether vanayo aridiburi vanayo kana banana msanda, do you imagine him speaking to people like that?
Nah, msanda is one chill guy, man.
Just humanity bewe wutu wutu guys, it's going to take you far, like just being nice to people and that's when the wood story and actually post I upload as jamburi kabo as wrong
ndanye kubusa zvo
as wrong jamburi nopa
abendi ku upload remember zvene na chekisa zvone yanga Saturday ndiko make a show I'm like apo una ifisto se yakwamba rakata
so mara jamburi anina ndava
as long as you're here
and I don't multi-millionaire. Okay, maybe
niche their Facebook, man. Let's pass. Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Anyway, do me.
So bored.
Yeah, man. Also, do you see that the video? Oh, finally, the video yantu. Yabafunzi na muza no fikarabo. Kwasa chick. Did you see it?
No.
At church?
No.
Hopefully the network won't disappoint.
I saw something like that. Maranda's chayanda itebera. Not of you.
Like,
are you gonna play it?
Eh?
Are you gonna play it?
I'm trying to get it now. Here, okay. Karabo na bo make it. This video. Woman, I want to go to the bus. Woman, I want to go to the bus. Go with the video there. Go with the video there. So what happened? You tongari vafunzi vakojolana mutu vanomukerekeni ndikarava vome vazwanulusa zvakompandiro rekabvekerekeni vafunzi vari haya songobva dzirani pasi
zvinova chiri kamera kaiye vachimuruma kamera
uri kaiyeusumezantu like ndiwome unokuri kaiye kamera
ndivo vafunzi vari kamera kaiyaye and he's so chilled for muthu anokwakuziwa ndivafunzi vapi ndosikuona mumwe muthu ori eno vachijena ikereke
orichera mini
ada
kuribudza chimwe na chimwe vatu vamudzimu. There's a picture also votodzura vavararu. I think after the whole thing where vadzidzwa pasi vatenderano riya ojambodofumakaza kuti kotomurera ngondoona like why would you sit ni vararu sa 3 foot
3 foot unoguma univona 3 foot
nkale ma ndoguma livona ntuni abo maginyange kailantu dza January.
Oh
yeah, so any land
so ita chibodo
ingofara ngasite zvote weekend ndituku unadza 54 fedzi
mixana
chelede ina nditukusa
magwanda kuita rambo
millionaire hey
magwanda ri batorengera batao
ya vada vamfonina po vampeye time ne magwanda vade va haikena rina ngari Saturday. Yeah man, but then I don't think that. Oh yeah, now I'm not sure if you have anything. You're going to move like ya chidima now.
Mara wait, do you go first? What church is this?
I don't know. It's
you don't know.
The crusade.
That's 5.
Yeah.
Just that's crusade. No, come back.
That end. Ati uchitwa crusade watu adende wafa. Nikoro zo zinge zikomeka ni the pia dende.
You know, who's we begin now no crusade baba guy.
No, like ndakorero zvive izuri nifesese tandro ini ndoanda nokwedza kereke ngori dzawe dzikwine
dzipi
ati dzivi like any na chene ni na okay but then yeah
anywho pada
mara okay, what do you think should happen kadzi into the summer vafunzi vaona vakodiantu
mara vanji vakuita
man
so
zirovhara dzikereke dzote zodozora ndadana jena yanga
ndorotirabelera
it works the same plus zvine vatu vakambori no netifuni yakerekeni yakutodhirabelera mudzimu ndi mutii.
I don't know, I never chikona. I love the worship part, I love the sermons.
And so also there's things that you don't know. You was found from the wait list.
Also I'm not at koni ubara bibiri ngoraro, so I need that.
Yeah.
You know, that pick up energy spiritually. But then I never talk of kona. Who are we?
Yes, what? Itane izvo dzikereke if nichitsifuna nisafuni rabelani nduni nepo nichivua.
Mara karavo ni karavo.
Yeah,
amaliwe naye.
Yeah, karavo amshukumaliwa zvino.
Naindi mutu kamaliwa.
So aim ndotoita. Ndiro utobana swiri zvidoni tori ni maliwa.
Do you think aim yes like nisa ijiki ni wangu ya maliwa eventually? Do you think that's
I think women are that crazy.
Delusional. Because unaweza ijiki zinaweza ba loyal.
Mar uba na hope naye wafa. Uri ndotondera chitulwa nga guru.
Mara chono Badorova. So like, never mind, but I'm saying okay, yes, ndiko indira ula chirova kana achitariwa ti tinori kam sinozviperwa fya wadhitiza kono big ola, you know, napfonga ngodo jena. Mara in the meantime niza tu jena, do you remain loyal?
What do you mean in the meantime? Niza tu jena.
Like niza tu mariwa.
Oh, niza tu ba jena ka relationship
ya mariwa. Ninga ngomu ni side chick ni azdiva. Uri una miya nyinyi babizo fi miya mgede.
Funny enough they tend to be loyal these people, eh?
Why? That's my shit.
Ati dibi mbuzeni ndinu msizana wapfa.
I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't be loyal.
Mar, why do you think your PS would? Because obviously kama ngabazana umura woji umbrofana.
Ade babo puri wabatukana.
Okay, shambore ni we just good at what we do. That's what I should tell you about men.
Oh, you're just dating the dumb ones.
No. If men are trash, men are trash. If vazana ndizvidera, vazana ndizvidera. Arichanda ngori wanyi would right. That's what I think you should know. So shambore vazana vapureya.
Shambore, okay, for example, mutu arasungo phone miya nyinyi baona. Arasungo ven nasibve.
Ngono zofinisa ngobva ngamuti arina miyawo. Arina miya vana vawa ya.
Rikarwesa machero ndobva.
That's it. I'm just like 2 in 10.
But also, some are just good at pretending as if they are being loyal.
Nah, man.
Okay. There's only go to one agenda yaniti. Aninga phone. Nani go to believe for right there. How are you gonna know I'm out?
Ndamira vazana vono soko vono funa.
Ndikwamba zvine ndikuzidiva. I have some at the top of my head, ne? Vanenda kuvaombola then uzeri chivezi. But
tanto type ni
loyal.
Even consider WhatsApp.
Loyal. Mara. And I was just like, why would you do that?
Mara just feel like nditune uba go for like udovana zvino zvaita yakabo like fiser kadiro tomorrow, okay. Anga for amchamtakadze at some point ndilazofira ufuna ndo yanetisa kamusi nonsendera ndifast kolenga bado jena ndabona dzi
ininzi vononga tikazindibvudze uba ninga ngomupa pfungoni yanga every day ndichisa zvezvo but you cover what I'm saying ne
nikukava
yo I'm such a mid-range girl but I'm just saying uri
yeah
chonoitori mutu avacation ana mutu warini nzongobva nasibve ndimini
maybe okay look at this
in a daddy issues kana miya ndovani venga
no here's the thing wafa remember ti which year wako there want akudeirwa muthu ane they probably well off like ola muthu rakamanga the last time so ine already dependa ko ola muthu uri nibve nidobva neagai na 3 randa.
Okay, now we must come back to this as well. Women need to stop fully depending on men. That's another thing.
But then they are now. Funny enough, never naturally debatanga vapenga
vamborenga badrola for street nine adzulana nina nwa. You can't go anywhere. Okay, now ndai hanani aunarwa.
Vazana vane chelede.
Mararia gaza guys nena msirivasiti rachigaza atamgana.
Mngana vazana avana chelede ndikuzana muzina muzvidivene. Nenda ndrobona account ya muzana.
Ndera richigaza.
Ndrobona account ya muzana unwa every weekend iti achinzimeza account ya ndisitende.
Shamba yanga naibona ngamnoka ine. Atina na peni. Atina mara ndaba ngoya na wine ndinwa.
Cause nika kona keep up nyana vaita ntu. Mr. Keeping up vakani diela ti. Zviva zvikotusa zvaso. Kana Fistos na Fistos mpeni rada yanu nti anifa. Na Ray Kingsley. Hey. Doposa mpeni kwa
so abana vanga nabo. Don't they have guy friends or female friends?
Comes vangana una kwenye kutuma vaita ntu.
Okay, personally nina vangana vangati. Kerrotero pega 5.
Nona va 5 namzi. Ndogumani voma 8. Iko tsa nomboro. Guys, imbuzoro do yidobanga kutobar bono va 3.
Ndoita birthday. Ndobuka tafula ya 5. Yotagana na wewe, yeye dada watukana.
Ndodrarine.
Udambara wewe pinkiti.
Arminderine as long as nomboro yeweka diva 5.
Kumro izapanda no I lost my train of thought.
So ambisa yani panda.
Then niko rare rimangana road comes 05. And the 5 was just an example, guys. Uyu kwenye ndo bitsa mfunganga.
Noto roko kai 5 example.
Hey. That's you're so stupid.
Sorry, it's
so, I'm just saying already now when I read the rob for branch. Shati abona mti ane anana peni comes in the beg yo hola vele ukanoto. It doesn't mean hangali and nobody's going to know.
Wasna chelede.
Come bege comes the 25 ngomba ndi Friday. You know. A vele tina peni. Wozongo bienda invite wa petu tukwa. But then I'm just saying uri aziyamburi ngori muti hako hola ariko yo lariko uya.
Mara,
are we going to go driven too? Don't have.
What if abavana bovana vatu vavo? Because there's also that thing. Ini mtu wanu obvana mtu wawe nene. Ngongoto lindela chibuya na chinchi akononibvisa nesa spare.
Okay, mara it's just to ngondi already. Habazana wewe kuitwa ngachede batofunesa batu babatu. Bamboto baloya ukabo.
Yeah, ndizvo.
It has nothing to do with money. It's not like they can't afford themselves.
Vamwe
vane vashuma no shuma.
Ndizvo ndoto mangazo vazana voto raro. Zvachede roto zvipangori convince ni impanda futhi.
It's pretty dumb. Zvinapo daddy issue mara.
It's never about daddy's issues, man.
Or your
not raro ni muzidana.
Okay, mara ni adifuna then in that case. Do you love yourself?
Ni adifuna mara nifuneza munhu mumwe mo.
Then you hate yourself.
Wabvanisa ngoya ngokondora machero vazana vanofuna vana vavathu.
Hey, gopa. Hey.
Arawana mazizana.
Abishoni. Hey. Guys, but kana vakurita zvidera and ive ngo say asiko say sa.
Okay, sorry then.
Also ndivona ungari zvibva nongori if you don't keep yourself busy, if you're not outside per se you groover, like life, have a life
outside it,
go to gym, go for Pilates, join a hockey, what do something, because ninga sit every day in mtukana, it does not make sense.
Ninga Pilates ni nini?
Pilates ni ana aerobics
ni
okay una even mini bola yolo ntambo pandasho
Chivenda, bora da Chivenda.
Yeah, ina dzina.
Bora da Chivenda.
Ina dzina we.
Not the David.
Chimini, I'll tell you, I'll get you the name.
Chigobela.
But I'm just saying, Chigobela.
Why bora Chigobela?
No, but I'm just saying, guys, mara honestly, mara ini anko bafeta, be honest.
Okay, what here's the thing. Honestly speaking, Bazana was there. And the bar for so easy.
Yo.
Nias diva wafa. Nze nias diva.
Rude.
Atiko rude ndikotramba
I don't like your tone.
Okay, so
I don't like your tone.
Bazana was there. Tinyanga yetonu.
Rote.
Arinanda ndizanda remena trash rote.
Yo.
Exact nakane da. Ya hon. Happy. Now baba vili was there.
I'm so mad at you guys. I am so mad at these girls. Bakombora. And we are so pretty. We bring so much to the table. Rijani jina kuita.
Gents, ndikofuna uri vachisvika tafura newe ndiko vashumisa. Banko. Rupire. Sorry. Naigamba chidima.
What a heavy episode.
Chidima
On to the next. Chidima na mlandu.
Chidima ukolwa na home face.
Ureda basi amwe. Uri why?
I don't know. Because official when siko kona unidibo because awukunya kwa kamera ngomu. But there's no Nigeria zinakuita. They're so angry. Because they're saying Orishu Mr. Uwina and Miss Nigeria and then I have a Miss Universe. And then all of a sudden now that she's done in South Africa she wants to go back to the very same South Africa.
Why is she fighting to come back? I feel like she's at a point in Ngoro ono wina as Miss Universe na mini. She can even go live in the States. She can go to the UK. Why does she want to come back here?
Remember so fraud ziyaba nantu just a blueprint
Okay, true. Bangi was strict.
Which is what I also heard about the World Cup, Nyazwino. Like it was very strict ko rudanya udinyi na mean. Ngachishpenga South Africa ufi problem ya xenophobia. Not xenophobia. Ya watu ba the foreign nationals. Yotoma chila chipinga. Because apparently wherever is some of the regulations and the rules in Zabaona.
2010. Oh, but because
we wanted people who were there attend, so we have to ease some of those regulations.
Oh, you got the one too.
After ticket in the 2000.
The other lavafunzi vachikogia mwana mu.
South Africa.
That's crazy.
So now that Donald Trump was very strict and all that, and also the tickets prices, maybe not about economy and game, are also about the Zamu Shimisa or avoid us. Yeah.
As Chatu.
Salon zote amchozo tomorrow 2010.
That's not true. Zavenda zoto magari.
Nigeria.
Zamagana. Oh, immaculate. We want to salon here by Tendo. Roger Lakes work. Tendo se seen Oasis. There's a salon there.
I've never seen it. Naji bandana.
Nera ndaji redu so wa magazo mgana ngani Nigeria. Uvakare rich
bato. Naji mana wangachi mimi. Niache kuna mbashi gani?
Atukoni. Tuchukona ngani.
Just making sure.
Baba chi like uvakare Roger Lakes wa wala mfumagazo. A lot of girls with that had long hair uvareva tu crash relax one fala na ingo yo no fi new look ozi magana ni magana ndiba kale ubandeni katina univen
bindu to jena basa ndikomlo jena ndido badera ndichihuma pano kana ndichiko babadera
abala ndibatu ndibanga babatu koritera ubakale so I don't think so. Yes, maybe ngeno maybe mara a lot of people
because obviously I was na World Cup vendor.
Yes,
so obviously pano Cape Town ivi na ninge chidima zamona otobe chidima dakarinyana.
So no who read and South Africa remove Wize. Under what grounds? Like what is she saying?
Ulazori Mirandia Kote anga dori wakane. That's what she's probably saying. Uri okaka ndi mianga ndi bono botso ID na nende songo.
Mara bakuchera ini. And anina yo citizenship.
Ndizune imagine uchiko fi makuano nezino rikutesa kwa mafuna just because asibone we abone nga apartheid.
Amara sibone.
Nsingori chancellor wafa. Asibone ngaini
ngadlevini ini nomreso rwanto ina kubarwa
akasibarwa ni abarwanda farwa ngodani ko farwa na zvezo ndo romkuwa
ngaro rwangwa ngabam nimenzo ngorobot hey guy wenda baza tshoni lifetse guy
exactly baza ziba adoro VP and you keeping up. That's a good name, man. I need to call you Keeping Up from now on.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
There go amba yo anado chinya mtoto wote akwana makavara ku podcast. Yeah, man. There's that thing that I sent you before you come. Yeah, there's a lot of things now that you make sense. Like, yeah, we left with 10 minutes. The thing you're mushumoni like. Have you ever been in that video? Married to do with respect and all
Yori, that. Like respect and like wokotsia ashuning asiba bizoripita.
Yeah. Officially nende ndachisemera zvone. Not they has to receive me mara ndachivandu kuzo. Hey Kings Labe abatundi balwa and all that. Ndino ndikubidza motori hey ngadzini.
Mara ndikavatu vatsupedzi.
Exactly my
Makuwa
point. Because that's what I said uri muna nesho musi ndichabidza uno hana problem and nabo batramba I had a lecturer also up of it. Achife Brett Freeman, see? So if you call him, you will say, "Oh, Mr. Freeman," like Mr. Mudau. Or I'm this one and Chancellor Mr. Freeman. What do you mean? Exactly. Because it only makes sense.
Everybody uses their name. So I think this is what bad.
But then, did you want to live? No, but some Mlori, Nichi Antone, Nichi Aspani Chamianga. They are for Kwambio. Hey, Ntate, what? I'm like, guys, not to know Tate. Nifi Steve.
Steve, I'm too much so you're a Melanian.
Ndanduleni. Okay, anything from your side Ndanduleni?
I'm trying to think what na watu warani na mshumuni watu but
I can never hone watu.
Hey, nende nambongo mungana mulwani eba 45 bamfuma gani ndibabizanga dzi.
To realize another later how come bofi nendidzora ndotakala muchimona atina mathada ti then ndanikari to ndini la I think ini la vigira kwamba
wazimiliptosengadiba
ngolana lipgloss so ndanikobuzora ini into ana mingwa mingana like all those guys mtu arene mtoko isi 36 38 like mara vatonga vana
but vaina zvimanavo echila chaka video call china bwe handi chituko chila
echila ndicho nechituko chilani
china bwe
china ndichituko nakana china 25 if not 26
zvino nna kunyongo ndwarero la mwana
no wait inonga mantu ulani no hola una antu uningana ne kokotoro
amazova wone vatukunyana
ndiri rivana cause ndi ava vantu venda vararwenda ri vatano the rest 40 something ningasitende wafa
vati ndivaulwani nainini yatsedza dziidea ranatokaka nalenda kabambiri riri nadzo kana karegister kana ka something
if ndichinidiva uri ninyi ndiyobona
unyobona zvodi mimwe yanu yatendana kana nkonoesaro
ndakubudza fi ndistoka cause nazo ndobudzisana vatu ndivalani conversation yedangu ndandikambori nyina inye ndivaulwani veuni ndimangafani kani andikamungoso ndojana ka LinkedIn achikorowedu umatriculate lini
that's how you check
then I'm like ini if mumwe ndizatu babyyo ovaka first year mandishuma naye
mazvonetiorivone
vone kule uvintu vana wapuwa nickname advocate vatu vavona vona vatu vanje vanovona ufindiluminisa mufumakadzi yange
vamushimoni ni mvenda
ndi mchangana
eish
ndi mvenda zvano
kwatitimela
inirikobona and then anything before we move
no arekatu areka dzilo roprovisa vatu dzilo and ndichipika
ino rinyango dzitanga order and then ndandobona
no it's fine do whatever
okay I just saw one because I was watching this other video on TikTok. I'm like, it actually relates to one of those laws in I don't know, okay I want to number it though it control your options. That's just a law. What do you think?
Control your options.
Like it was funny, like ivona hela video.
In
like,
what way though? Control your options.
This is what I'm gonna tell you. So hela video ndaivona. You'll try and see if they actually relate. How you actually sell and you actually make the sale. Not to go to what you do, then you got that kind of offer phone, okay? It's when finding a 5 rand, then you pay him. Ni probably let's say 6 rand. Marana could do so ni JP. Okay, no kak. I don't think find a price. Nari 25 niko JP. Ininare ahuna imwena. So before ndichidisa ndikuti busa enori ndi umise ipi hapa noni.
This is so complicated.
So it becomes so easy. Then take example like chikoloni. MCQ ikonda ngori vanipa 6 options to choose from.
Okay.
Mara vanipa option mbili. Whenever you want to force, at least you have 2 chance half a chance you're in the fail and then the other half you're in pass. Mara options are 6 MCQ. During the turn chance that's strong as a dice 1/6.
So like, literally. So okay, which if you control your options, use a practical example then.
Okay, practical example like okay, if Nikori
let's use everyday life.
I want to go to Dubai. I want to go to Tanzania. I want to go to the US. Okay, and I was offering you a guy. They say we're dating. I'm like, where do you want to go? Kids into me. Now I'm like, Rokoto ya vitu repezi. Ndiga ungonda nganyango ya. Daroke. Ndiko visa Dubai. Where do you want to go between Tanzania and the US?
Maras no ibiringa nyangori. Ndiko butso ndiko to the more. Ini mara.
That's the whole point.
So you know to control options anga.
Nina koto yo drantwini.
So
which is what guys should use barka budget. Unyago lamini. Bega kinga na McDonald's.
I don't know.
Already don't know where Zitasha. You see?
McDonald's KFC. KFC.
It actually works, man.
Guys, we only go to practice or pura on a daily.
You guys are dumb.
No, and then I never know what I want to eat. Okay, no, they are diva. In most cases, I never know what I want to eat.
Okay, after the gig, Saturday, we know as beg, nani we know really beg. Mara all lango has na option.
Hi, oba okay, I could have wanted one ani.
Has na option.
No, ulana gets all the time. Richie McDonald's.
Mara option ya polo ndio re. Uko badira dentro. The Kardashians. Kana enemu the Kardashian. Ayet. So Mara like it was really
You're
interesting.
trying so hard to embarrass me. Dog.
embarrassing
No.
you? Sorry, man.
Nani was just, I remember she was dragged. Oh, I was going, yo, someone, I was going, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Richard's coming back. Richard, what do you want to hear? Oh my God, I feel like a baby.
Don't get embarrassed on any other boy. She's a vibe, yeah. Maria,
But then still, okay, so because if that works for you guys then.
it will work for you also.
Oh, it could work for me. In a cheaper way, I could use it in an expensive way.
Exactly.
And be like, okay, Anare, okay, where do you want to go? In go Sane, Dari,
Take me to
Mabo or
Nomad, all those
Pronery. Then and Ndamba so there's a blind face.
Ndari ahuna imwena. Ini ndo
Ndamba.
sorry. Okay, ndiko visa Nomad. Namadani go panga imwe futhi. You know thoughts.
We need to go to Nomad, by the way.
Nomad is not so nice.
The Hablis, no, I love their Habli. Is it not a Turkish restaurant?
I think so. Their steak
If it
was
is, all the Turkish restaurants have the best Habli.
Okay, I like the steak. Nyana, Maravo.
Nomad and then don't like King Clip. Yeah, when like no paying.
Actually, there.
Anyways, it's not
That's how we control the
Okay,
thing.
control your options already.
So do you think it actually works, that thing?
I think it works. I'm gonna use it.
Yeah.
Ka wish list yanga ya birthday yanga zidzi ko buyesa na nwa.
Fine. And then the other one that I saw was
Hey,
like, this one is
Luisa's
also
video
interesting. When you send it to me.
Video
What is
call.
that one? Make people, no, this is not the one. Okay. Oh, no. Let your victims feel smarter. What do you think of that? Let's end it with that one.
I must let my victims feel smarter.
Evila
Victim
zine-
yanga ndinyi.
evila
So,
zobantu zoba sarcastic. I thought, oh yeah. Ni blinded. Ndizona ndikuita ka Saturday. But yeah, bad. Yeah, I feel like mushumo wabo blind bad. Like okay, now he feels like no more Robert Kingsley. Now he has to wait and wait and wait.
I know for Robaidi.
Because you made the Muruba
I think I do that on a daily then.
which is
I make
almost
people feel
everyone.
smarter.
Yeah.
I make people feel
Don't you think
smarter.
mutu mara wasibona uri kufuriwa?
No, not everybody sees it.
Guys, no way.
Una watu basafesa like sarcasm abi.
Really?
Yeah.
Atoforia
Niko
ompa
tochibona
compliment.
chireza kati na wena gore abo rest.
Nara award diera fono.
Dari
Bogerwa guy.
bogerwa.
Afa atumwamba no ndo geroga. Like bro.
Ari vachikokona pana ndinga pana nomboro. Vachisvika vari bodziwana kanne.
No ways, man. Yeah, so that's just how these things is, man.
Why does your hairline look like that? But anyway.
Yeah, anything before we close?
Anything before we
let
close
me try
this.
check something.
Check anything utoma.
Okay, this I spoke about, this I spoke about.
Hey
Okay.
video call ndinga ndikonya usumizwa Snoopy chinokuya chikoro nimajero chinokuuma chikoro.
Snoopy niwe.
Zvilaini zvorukiwa. Titenda urukiwa uri kuwantu bese.
Oh, I bet I'm nice tricks. Oh, the thing yantu. Yeah, paprika. Did you I saw this thing. It's a
Whatever.
manager ya Goose version.
How did you see it? Inos bana.
So here's the thing, too. Oh, I'd call it a video. Akore, me. It doesn't understand how Guzba ukoya, Mbana boosting my money, and Tony Diamond also. Like the guys are cool and all that. Like when there's someone who's been there and actually has shaken it, obviously we know what we're talking about. See? And then another problem that I have, Nduri, aungojiwa, abala mutu, bantu, by AI, oyajiwa, papiriko. Like what is he actually going to do there? And then
Ujiori minabe manager.
utuwana no uratona
Why ought you to wana bala mutu? Ngori ukojia watu vane wabangana bao.
ndiko utozama mbavo zori mini habala mtu ndiri point ya ndiri vako barero to a point ni naguzba ba mbuli. You know how hardcore he is, bro.
Mara ndipfonga ri zvichidaka papi na Guzba I feel like Guzba omuna ngoni mungana wawe. They do a whole lot of stuff together.
Papi
I think no yobona ndi Travis Scott kana ndinyi they do a lot of stuff together outside.
Which is now
music.
the thing and why take him to be the manager?
Ngori ni mungana wanu. Why would you take a friend or any manager?
Which has always been wrong. Because Papi know that comment or just to answer you. Okay, first, okay, this is Twambes. Na Papi ko already mbodone no kushima. Oba panda mic and no dibe no ila shako recorder so. Smezurna is on the song.
Urina usimemene. Oh.
Wait, you say dangum. Kwini fakana niko say. So Guzba sang, and then there was also a clip ya usima mani akwirant akwimba, and then there was Don Rico also. I would assume Don Rico was our kwimba. And then after that, they've Don Rico the comment or no, I'm actually Guzba's manager.
Oh.
Just to let you know why the kids around your one. I'm like, okay, I get it, Rory. But because they know this so Guzba.
Maybe it works for them.
You think?
Remember Rari hazvingashumi ngori ndivangana vahone vatu vane managers dzine there's no relationship but it's not working.
Yeah, I know that.
So maybe it will work for them. Maybe it will be an exception.
You know what my problem is? Artist is go manager artist.
Ngori ndi artist.
Now funny enough now ndiri chipedzambe zvitiri mumwe zori uko imba karuimbo zvino.
And then the manager
was he supposed to be there? Cannot for the manager. I might as well just.
Okay, so now I think I get where you're going.
So ugo push up into Zote.
Ndikamba zvonero Samusi happy they are in the same room with Java. Achiamba nayo uptiyo picture nemunhu kana ulana.
Uko skari yours Java. And then I'm going to feel good by blind. Inga there was I mean. So can you record na mean? I'm sure those December so as mfise zawo kamuza. Vachi bode record abakora nane ndo ngwara something. Irani deep for ngari mini ngazi muhanele mutakuri irani ndipfe. Now for ukorwa.
And I don't know in the same room.
Because I feel like you get to push.
It's just like me getting mutono renza mabuzura ade influence yanga mabudzi.
All I'm to do pusha awe at some indirectly in those first high. I will push your flex upon. You see?
It's kind of tricky. You're right. Tricky, it is kind of tricky. But anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
Any money comes in the Ramu would sell the charges or no phone. Oh, that's Sunday.
How far? That's your board. Okay, it will have to be a quick one. Come in, Kotapo. In intro, Nico, Niti.
First intro.
A message.
Niampenge daini.
Guys, we're very sorry. Look up his number. Oh, okay, message. Ndika dona nto. Ndo sorry wendo number naye. Ndo kuto zvambo ngati mudivi so. Kana to pick up. I don't know why you delete number zanga. Roto kulu. Do you know why we fought? I think it was
Babi.
No. There was roto kulu mara. It was that thing orenga chipinga chamiza. Of which I understand like he has to be loyal to the friend. I would be loyal to also what Ronald Nampo. Because I have a rambo with the number. Go cancel. I need you reading there. 3, 2, 1, go. The drop. Maria, that's just how I feel.
Oh, damn, na ini ngazo.
No, Zambo ine pala account. Kad comment za TikTok.
No, ndikwamba uri inini chidiburi no lwa naye.
No, do you remember so those who are no sign up fistos nichiri una chinepo venari hana the last time chamna papriko cause it was over last year this year auto happy birthday feeds
then ngolo
yeah actually ngolo
kana ho change any phone number phone wasiyona phone number zami
maybe yeah
because then I haven't seen his stuff in a while and I don't think then paper is in your block ana
it's funny how you think uto run and then not
mara net oh chione chinepe mara ngosibona ndoguma mane oguma senda something zva ushare zi post again
no guma senda post
lini
nah that was 2024
ngosvipa mara ori happy birthday msinga birthday yana
mara birthday tiyo ita kanto
ka Instagram
ka TikTok. Yeah, but then anyways, I don't think there's anything. Oh, so what's wrong with Royal? I could drop a line up.
Royal kai ribudze uri rikodona reda kana rikondwana ridzoro prepare.
Yeah, be arbato cancela. Ngoto vona antu reda yetu to wine rono ikuza untu.
Guys, please tell us something. Cuz I feel like diva ribudze diva ndo mane.
No funa zuno. Ardo zubona antu
ronolenga.
Yeah, so guys.
Ronolenga for minutes.
Wewe no dima mfungu abathu. Ni atanchamba bo Royal idova mini. So if you know anything, please let us know.
Please tell
us. It just
us.
doesn't make sense. I feel like they're delaying and they never want to get the hype is not remittant. Renyo go printa na goloi. Ro promise wati. Not all phone any pa. Are to vote to agolo yote?
Sorry.
Gore ndo tonga ya Shoprite. And it is ready.
Azdo bad.
But then anyways, if there isn't anything that you yellow.
I'll pass.
No, man, don't be. Then anything before Chivara.
Rokovara.
Yeah.
Ouchena anything. Aningoita brought to you by.
Oh,
and they were shooting from.
Oh, guys, what was happening?
Saturday.
Oh, yeah, it was just a jump.
I don't think Rodumedi said.
Saturday was a jump, guys.
I don't know Rodumedi said, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the Black Couch. Okay.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, episode number
69 or 68.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, as long as the episode is there and it's available.
Danko.
Kazi DSP.
Danko means thank you.
Yeah, they already speak
That's
you
the-
find him too bad. Yeah, but then if you wanna use equipment here, Panda Studios, if you wanna record as a podcast, na wewe na talent, but what you push, guys. There's also another thing. Man, how YouTube actually works. Like when you recognize like anonymity, serious, pay to if you want to create an So guys, that's one. That one is not like kaya TikTok literally YT because it means YouTube narrate semicolon lang one zin. I'm gonna go search the subscriber.
Okay.
Because we need more of those people, guys. We need more YouTubers. We need more YouTubers then. I mean,
we do.
If you get a podcast, it I want to know the need to. If you get a content in here, do it. If but if you never know and enjoy. That's what I mean. So if you wanna record such things on other podcast, yeah, the phone never pan and I wanna the night. Can have the shooters and then go eat an apple. If you go to Tamataka, I never know. Content is different. Number is 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Can and they would to Maginia at pandastudios.com. And then this episode is brought to you by Emarton Funerals Insurance. Yes, the number of and cover respect.
Sorry.
True respect. WhatsApp. Need the motto. True respect. So, funny enough, I'm going to that true respect. I think when I was gender, sorry, Utranga the account Emarton one, you were personal.
Yeah,
the same way in a blackout, your TikTok away younger. Not to change. So now there's a thing, yeah, the Alice. I didn't mean Alice in Ding.
No,
Nini check the repost that the Alice is out of. Reached over for house of shame.
Why but manga ngori ndinyi ndibona umuthu akubuzana muthu ibe ikoposta mimi
no recheck the repost remember
mara ibe ikoposta mimi of the
yona iposta tu zvantu
zva somebody was saying hey admin here into
that's the thing the posts are the sharp the repost is this nina post na reposta tu zvavanga watu vo posta go through it, you will let me know
on TikTok. Okay, I'll check it.
So guys, back to Emarton. If you wanna know the final plans never vanadzo so I saw this other thing. It's a sponsored ad and they want to tampa like on Instagram. Also like super clean guys. But I'm sure about this. So if you're gonna run away with the venture job doing already, you have phone number 01515102251 kana 0252 kana wafanya number za WhatsApp zene probably now on your screen. Nizi check 24/7 nzi yashuma kana neka www.emarton21.co.za. Emarton21 true respect. Ela sound ichitantu. So yeah guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Me check repost with as a gift. Gift to our